Roll, buddy, roll. Roll, buddy, roll.
All right, we're not going to do it. We're just going to have Keriann sit here and dance for us, okay? Okay, so hi, this is Anand, and today we are doing a recipe out of the Stop Picking on Me book, and somewhere in this book I have little home spa day recipes for cosmetics, homemade cosmetics. So we are going to test drive some today. Come on over, Sofia.
What do we have? What do we have today?
It's Keriann, Sofia, my friends. So we're going to try and make what we are calling the cleanser for all types. And it involves a bunch of grapes, which we didn't wash yet. We should probably wash the grapes. I can edit that. I'm grape package. Thank you. You know what I was trying to
Grape package.
I was trying to figure out how to open the grapes. So we need about a cup of grapes.
Do you want me to get the cups?
We're gonna wing it, because in my world, you know, recipes are meant to be changed and altered, and recipes are meant for you to make your own. This is our rough cup of grapes, very rough. Okay. And I'm putting them in my high-speed blender. I have a Vitamix blender. You do not have to have a high-speed blender. You could literally mash these with a mortar and pestle, or with your fists.
Mm-hmm.
There's your feet. You can mash them with your feet. Here's a drop of grape. Anyway, so
I'll mash it.
Huh?
She's gonna mash it with her feet.
Okay, so for those of you who are not familiar with I Love Lucy, right now you can pause this video and go search out the I Love Lucy episode where she stomps grapes with her feet. Okay, so stop this and go watch that video and then come on down. You can see that you don't need a blender to stomp grapes. You can use your feet. Okay. Make sure you look inside your blender to make sure there's not a bag of ginger in it before you start it.
There usually is.
Okay, so the grapes are in there. We also are going to put in some cornmeal. It says a tablespoon of cornmeal, so I'm just going to rough it. Oh, let's see. Yeah, it looks about a tablespoon. And then one teaspoon of oil. So we've got some olive oil here. So this is, I think that looks about a teaspoon, and maybe a little bit more.
A little bit more. So
here we got grapes, cornmeal, and oil. All right, cover your ears. It's very loud. All right, we officially have our cleanser. Does that work? Cleanser? Okay. Our cleanser for all skin types. Okay, who's going to be the guinea pig?
Sophia!
Sophia's going to be the guinea pig.
Right here.
All right.
She volunteered for me.
So you're going to try it on your face, a little bit on your cheek, and see how it feels.
A little bit on each cheek.
Whichever, yeah.
These cheeks.
Which cheeks? Those cheeks. Okay, wait, I'm going to zoom in.
Ooh.
Sophia, turn around so we can see. She's putting. How does it feel?
A little gritty.
Okay, because that's the cornmeal.
Smooth. It feels like a really light exfoliator.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's starting to get slick, almost. Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah?
It feels like my skin is like instantly hydrated.
Because it's got citric acid in it.
Ooh.
So it's got the AHA, it's got the good stuff that'll help for getting your skin to regenerate itself. There you go.
The grapes in it? And the oil?
Grapes and a little bit of oil. And, all right, I want to try some.
It's really moving.
I'm just going to try it with,
do it.
I'm just going to try it with my hands.
Okay. So is it a moisturizing cleanser?
It's like a moisturizing cleanser, and it would also be like I don't want to say peeling, but you know, it's all
like slightly exfoliating.
Slightly exfoliating.
Very slightly.
Would you recommend it on a dry patch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it on my face.
She's gonna try it on her dry patch.
Yeah, a little dry patch.
All right, and that feels really nice. I feel my hands feel clean. Could you imagine doing this?
Yes.
Do you?
Yes. I mean, I would.
Are you telling the truth?
Yes. I would totally do this. How long would this last? in this state
I
like
would say
this?
in that state, it would probably last at least 2, 3, maybe 4 days easily, and possibly longer in the fridge.
So one or 2 times a day, or just as
Whenever you
feel?
normally cleanse. I mean, personally, I don't cleanse that often. I cleanse maybe once every couple of days. I really don't use any soap except for every few days. So for me, that would be something that I'd have to maybe put in the freezer or something.
I think so. Let's see.
So now you can rinse it off and tell me what you think. Going behind the camera. And then you're going to tell me what you think about once you rinse it off. And do you need a, here you go. Sophia is rinsing off her face.
I got some in my mouth and it tastes really good. Oh my goodness, that is so nice.
Oh, yay!
Hydrating.
I'm so glad to hear.
No, my skin feels soft and supple right now. I was feeling really tight before I put it on, just because the weather changed and just whatever was going on with this. No, that feels very nice. Thank you.
All right, so that is our, okay. So there you go. All right, so you too can do this. You can say bye-bye to all the mainstream cleansers out there with all their insecticides and herbicides and cyanidicides, whatever those sides are. You can get rid of all those and you can start making your own cleansers for pennies on the dollar and have wonderful, beautiful skin. All right, bye-bye.
The statements in this video have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. The information, including but not limited to text, graphics, images, and other material contained in this video are for informational purposes only. The purpose of this video is to promote broader consumer understanding of various health and spiritual topics. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a licensed qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or treatment and before undertaking a new healthcare regimen. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have read or heard online. Anand and TeamSPOM do not recommend or endorse any specific tests, physicians, products, procedures, opinions, or other information that may be mentioned. Reliance on any information appearing in this video or any online videos is solely at your own risk. The author and publisher shall have neither liability nor responsibility to any person or entity with respect to any loss, damage, or injury caused directly or indirectly by the information contained herein. Know that this life is ephemeral and is calling on you to heal. Thank you for being part of my journey.
We're back in the kitchen, and it's been a few minutes since we cut off on the other video, and Sophia was just remarking on how's your skin feel?
Supple and just very nice. I don't have a very specific word for very nice, but supple. What was the word you said?
Wow.
But
It's refreshed and renewed to me.
Okay, refreshed.
So there you go.
I'm in awe of how simple that was and how wonderful I feel right now, because I was feeling tight and dry and itchy, and now it's like fresh breath of air and a tall glass of water. So thank you.
Okay, so you think you can figure out how to do this? I think you can. I know you can. All right, bye.